Well, I just walked 1041 steps with the new Huawei GT Watch 3, GT3, and also the older GT2. And last year, actually, I did the same thing with GT2 and the previous GT1, and the findings are at least interesting. Well, okay, so last year what I discovered is that GT2 is still is less precise than GT1, the older one, and the difference was quite big. So the phone Mate 20 Pro seems to be the most precise one. So this one usually shows me the exact number of steps I have taken, because as I walked, I count them. And then when I finish, so I start all the 3 devices, I start the workout, I disconnect the phone from the devices because otherwise one of them will sync. So I disconnect all of them, and I walk and count, which is a very difficult thing. I really need to focus on it. And then I stop at around 1,000 steps or something like this. Today it was 1,041 just when I came back home. And then I looked at my phone and it shows exactly 1,041. Now, mind you, maybe I have made some mistakes while I was counting. I probably have, but somehow the phone got the same number as me counting it. This is consistent with many actually attempts that I have made, walking 500 steps, 1,000 steps. This one was showing me really precisely. Practically every time was exactly what I have counted, or the difference was marginal. Now, the older one, GT1, was kind of off 2%. However, the newer GT2 was off 5% and sometimes even more. And today it was around 4-5% off, whereas GT3 was within percent off. So again, much more precise. And almost practically the same precision, actually more precise than GT1, which was around 2%. So it's 2%, then 4-5% and 1%. So big improvement. I don't know why Huawei made this one less precise, the GT2, than the previous model. I don't know. Whereas this one, finally, they made it really good. Okay, so shall I show you this statistics? So these are the statistics from the phone. Actually, I'm gonna take a screenshot and show you the screenshot. Might be easier later on to the video. Whereas with the watches, I'm not sure if I cannot take a screenshot, but actually what I can do, I can sync the both watches with this, and then I can also take screenshots and show you. So let's hope that this works. So these are the results for GT1, no, sorry, GT2. And these are the results for GT3. So draw your own conclusions. I hope you enjoyed it. More videos. I'm gonna make more videos about GT3 now. It's a nice watch. I think it's a worthy upgrade. So thanks for watching. Take care.